All right, guys, welcome back to my estate. I assumed that some people missed the 1 year anniversary property bonus that they, provided for us during this time, but that has passed and they are now coming up with the summer property bonuses. So I would like to introduce these bonuses to you guys if you would like to grab one of these properties that they are promoting at the moment. Now, this is hot cake, right? I must have to say that if you don't hurry and get a piece of this, you are definitely going to miss out again, just like the way you missed out on the promotional bonuses that they had during the 1 year anniversary of estate. So I don't want anybody in my team to miss this opportunity again. That is why I am recording this video as early as possible, and I'm uploading the video today. So I'm not waiting like the day after. I'm like literally uploading this video right now, immediately after the recording. So, but I just want to show you what they are currently promoting and what the bonuses will be. So this screenshot was taken from the estate official Telegram channel. But if you're logging into your back office, for those of you that are already in estate, you should see this pop-up message that is going to come on your dashboard telling you that there is a promo for these properties that they have, and it's going to last up to 12th of July. So between now and 12th of July, this promo will end. Please don't miss out on this again. So what they are promoting at the moment is the business development. When you purchase a piece of this business development, you will receive a property bonus of land plot. When you purchase the development property, you will receive a piece of sunset villa bonus. The same thing for the desert villa. If you do a purchase of fractional ownership of desert villa, you will also be given the lake house bonus. So these are the three major bonuses that they are offering at the moment. So now let's dive deep into the details here. So they are saying that summer property bonus for estate. The program period is between 28th of June to July 12th. The selected asset purchases during this period may qualify for additional EST allocation, which is additional properties. Okay. Now, this is the detail. They said if you purchase the business development property, you will be given 5,131 EST, which is equivalent to land plot. Okay, so literally you are buying one and getting one free. That's what it is. Okay, using the layman's statement, you buy one, you get one free. So the second property they are offering here is the development property. This, if you purchase a piece of this, you will now be given 2,000 EST, which is what equivalent of sunset villa. All right. And then if you do the desert villa, okay, if you purchase a fraction of the desert villa, you will get 25 EST, which is equivalent to the lake house property. Okay, now remember that one EST in estate is equivalent to $10. So if you see anywhere they wrote EST, multiply that number by 10. That will give you the total value for that real estate. Okay, so that's what it is. So let me take the bottom one as an example, right, which is the desert villa. So if you purchase the desert villa, okay, I know from my calculation that desert villa is $1,000. So I know the price for that, right? So if you purchase $1,000 worth of desert villa fractional ownership, you will be given $250 worth of the lake house, because that's the minimum that you can purchase the lake house anyway. So 25 EST multiplied by 10. No, that will give you $250. Okay, 25 multiplied by 10, that will give you $250. And I know that the lake house, the minimum to purchase the lake house is $250. So you are buying one and literally getting the other one free. And they are telling you right here that the bonus will be credited to your account within 12 hours after your purchase. So guys, please don't be in a hurry. Once you are able to purchase one of these properties or all of these properties, for those of you that is looking to purchase all of them, be patient and wait for 12 hours so that you will get your a corresponding bonus property that they are going to credit to your back office. Okay, so they said review available assets and complete your purchase before the program closes. Right, so these are real assets that have been structured for long-term positioning. For those of you that are looking for long-term investment, estate is where you need to be. I have been telling you guys this all the time, that you cannot beat estate. No matter what other projects that we are currently involved in, estate is the best. So if you are with me in other programs and you are not in estate with me, which means you are missing out already on one of the best projects in the world, not just within my portfolio. Okay, so guys, please plug into estate, because this is the only place I find peace. Right, is the only platform that I can say I wake up, my money is there. I wake up again, my money is there. And as my money is there, so also is my profit is multiplying on a daily basis. And I can withdraw with peace of mind, knowing that my money will actually arrive in my private wallet every single time I push that button to withdraw. I get my money. There is no story, there is no drama in estate. Okay, this is why I love estate. No drama. You put in your money, you see your money. You purchase your property, you see your property. Your property will start to generate profit on a daily basis, Mondays to Fridays. You will see all of this, right? And that same profit you can withdraw, just like the way you deposited without contacting anybody. You withdraw your profit without contacting anybody. So the platform is self-sustaining, right? That is what you want. Okay, you don't want a platform where you apply for your profits to be withdrawn, okay, and then you have to wait for third party to review your withdrawal before they will pay you. You don't want that. Okay, that takes a lot of time. But in estate, immediately you purchase your property, if it is between Mondays and Fridays, you will begin to earn just after 24 hours of your first purchase, right? But if you do it on a Friday evening or Saturday on Sunday, you will not get your profit until towards the end of play on Mondays. All right, so guys, this is how it works. But before I stop this video, I want to give you a quick summary of what is happening here. Okay, now this screenshot is slightly different from the other one that I showed you just now. Reason being, I have added the expected profit for each of these properties that you want to purchase, and also the ones that are going to give you the bonuses on, right? So the summary of this: when you purchase the business development, on that business development alone, you are going to be earning monthly $48,000, right? And then your daily profit for that same business development is up to $2,300. Now, they will give you a bonus property of land plot. Now, this land plot, you are going to earn $8,727 monthly. And if you break it down to a daily profit, that is coming up to $415.61. All right. So the first property bonus is great for people that can afford to purchase the business development. Now let's move on to the second, promo that they are doing. The second property promo is the development property. If you purchase this development property, you are going to earn $17,716 monthly. Okay, now remember, all the profits that I am displaying here is a floating profit. That is why I am always using the word up to, right? So up to this profit, that's what you're going to earn. So if you break it down on the business development, all right, if you break the profit down on a daily basis, you are looking at $843, up to $843. This same development, they are going to give you a bonus of Sunset Villa. Now, when you get the bonus of Sunset Villa, you are going to be earning up to $2,000. Okay. And then if you break on a monthly basis, of course, and then if you break it down to a daily basis, you are looking at $96 daily. Then the last property bonus that they are offering here is the lake house. On my right hand side here, the bottom right, you will see that they are offering lake house bonus if you purchase the desert villa. As I said before, the last property promo here, which is the desert villa, minimum to purchase this one is $1,000. So if you do a $1,000 purchase of the desert villa, you are looking at monthly profit of up to $109. And if you break it down to daily basis, you are looking at $5.20. Bear in mind that the profit we are earning is only Mondays to Fridays. Okay, there is no Saturday or Sunday. Okay, we don't get any profit on Saturdays and Sundays, but Mondays to Fridays we get that profit. Okay, now on my bottom right here, what you are going to be earning from that lake house bonus that you are going to get as a result of purchasing the desert villa will be up to $23 on a monthly basis. If you break it down to daily basis, you are looking at up to $1.14. So again, this is a big bonus to everybody looking to join and purchase one of these properties. If you are already a member of eState, then you have the opportunity now to just go to your back office, deposit the equivalent, USDT or any cryptocurrency you want to use to deposit the minimum, and then purchase one or two or three of these properties on my left hand side. And then after 12 hours, you will get a bonus that is corresponding to the property that you just purchased under this promo, and it is ending on the 12th of July, guys. So please hurry up. Don't say I did not tell you, because I am always on top of all of these platforms that I am currently involved in. I like to bring you the information, as early as possible, so that you guys will get positioned in time rather than rushing at the end of it. All right. So for those of you that are already in eState, please log into your back office and purchase one or two of these properties, okay, and get your bonus after 12 hours. For those that are looking to join eState, please use the link below this video description to join eState and of course purchase one or two of these properties. Remember, the layman's idea that I've used here, or the layman's statement or language, is you buy one, you get one free. Okay, remember that word: buy one, get one free. That's what it is. All right. So guys, thank you, and God bless. Have a good weekend. I will see you in my next eState video.